Okay, let's talk about pump and dump stocks
Yeah,
also,
yeah.
because they are also trending. So, how to really identify the heroes of the stock market and the zeros?
Yeah. So pump and dump stocks are very easy to identify. You just have to go to the balance sheet, the profit and loss statement of the companies, and you can clearly see the trend that they don't have revenue. Right? Most of these stocks don't have financials, proper financials. Even if they have revenue, if you go to their cash flow statement, their cash from operation is literally zero. So if any business is genuine business and generating revenue, it should generate cash out of that revenue, right? I have sold something, but that money is available with a data. That means your business is in a problem, right? You have to generate cash out of that. So simple financial parameters like cash from operation can give you fair idea about whether this company is worth getting into. But my problem is people get SMS, buy this.
Yeah.
I mean, they will just go and buy this.
And it's happening like on a daily basis.
It is happening. It has been happening for many years, and it is still happening because of lack of financial education. So my only humble submission is that please, whichever company you get, there is no harm in getting information about companies from various people. हम सुनेंगे सबकी, but at least go to StockEdge, search for the stock and do basic research for 5 minutes that whether it's worth looking into this company or not.